And our team coverage continues in Brevard County. Northern Brevard saturated all day long. Some areas saw close to 8 inches of rain, and now we're seeing some of that water push into apartments.
WESH 2's Megan Moriarty live in Mims this afternoon at Irwin Avenue and Old Dixie Highway. Quite a mess out there.
10 units are affected here. Just look at what was a parking lot here, and then if we push in, you can see the water inside of these units. It's about shin deep in there. We did see a family coming out, taking all of their belongings. You can see all of the cabinets open there as they had to evacuate from this unit. Again, about shin deep water. Now, I did get to speak with one of the associates who is affiliated with the owner, and he says that flooding here has been a problem for the last 3 years, but they did put some measures in place. There's a retention bond behind this housing complex here. You might be able to see it. It's a little difficult, but in this water here, there are some sandbags that are floating around. And then there is a drainage system over to my left-hand side as well. So they did put some measures in place, but as you can see, this floodwater just went right into these units here. A lot of people who we spoke with said that their belongings are destroyed. One of the women who we spoke with said that she just left her couch in here. They're going to a friend's house for the time being. Very unfortunate situation. But like I said, we did speak with one of the associates of the owner, and he said that they will be working to compensate these people who have to leave their homes for now and have lost a lot of their belongings as well. Coming up at 5, we spoke with one of the women who lived here. She said she's only been here for 2 months and this happened. You'll hear from her coming up at 5. Covering Brevard County live in Mims, Megan Moriarty, WESH 2 News.
All right, Megan, and some of the heaviest rain has come down in Volusia County. It's
left a mark on Edgewater, that's for sure. In fact, the mayor of Edgewater used our weather graphics to get the word out today as crews hit the road to start pumping out some of that flood water there. WESH 2's Pamela Combe live in Edgewater with the very latest from there. Pamela.
Well, this is one of the ditches that they had to drain earlier. You can still see that pump set up nearby. It was on standby in case they had to use it again, but this ditch was overflowing. It was flooded. It was pushing water onto this road. This was all covered up until that stop sign. It took crews about an hour to get it down, but now the road is open and traffic is moving like it's supposed to. Other parts of the Florida Shores neighborhood here in Edgewater weren't as lucky. No homes flooded, but the mayor says it did get close to one. Crews responded quickly and they were on standby for emergencies today. They got several inches of rain here, but things are looking much better when compared to this morning. Some ditches are still full, of course, and there is some ponding in some of these roads, but since early this morning, these ditches have been cleared, and those troublesome spots, the city has really been working to get water flowing. And in the last year, the mayor says they've been working tirelessly to make improvements to Edgewater's old and outdated stormwater system.
We have crews working weekends, working overtime. That's never been done here in my lifetime in the city of Edgewater. I've lived here my whole life. My parents have almost lived here nearly their whole life, over 40 years. They've never seen that before.
The mayor says the city is in better shape this year than last, but still 20 years behind on critical upgrades. He says they're currently developing a stronger stormwater plan and were recently awarded $1 million to reconstruct canals in the Florida Shores neighborhood. The city also purchased 2 pumps they did not have last year to lower lakes and retention ponds when they're over capacity. So that's another thing they have this hurricane season they did not have last. So the mayor again says they are in better shape this year. Covering Volusia County live in Edgewater, Pamela Combe, WESH 2 News.
And today, not an ideal day for driving. Slick roads everywhere, leading to scenes like this. This is just before the lunch hour on I-95 near Daytona Beach. A car crashed and spun out right in the middle of the interstate, leading to a big slowdown there.
WESH 2's Michelle Meredith is in live First Warning Weather Lab. She's in there live. She's been on the roads today. You took us through Sanford at noon today, and now you're in Ocala, Michelle, which is seeing a lot of rain too.
Well, we are heading up I-75, and you might have heard Tony say that all of Marion County is under a flood watch till 8 o'clock. So they are on high alert. And let me show you what we're dealing with here. Rain and lots of it. Now yesterday, got a lot of rain, but they also got wind. So they had trees down, power lines down, and today it's been very steady. Now they tell me it started up about 1:30. Let me show you a side view here. Not too good. Let me go back to camera 1. And they are concerned about flooding, and they have their eye on this area around Trinity Catholic High School in Ocala. That's southwest 27th Avenue, because there's a pond nearby and it's like one of the first places to flood. And they usually have a crew on standby there. But you know, Marion County, all of Central Florida, we are dialed into our weather. We are dialed into WESH 2 News because everyone wants to know, of course, in terms of weather, what they're up against. Live in Marion County, Michelle Meredith, WESH 2 News.
All right, Michelle, remember, you can get weather alerts on your phone. Just download the WESH 2 News app. It is free in the App Store.